Experiencing frequent disconnections with your T-Mobile home internet? Let's fix that. First, understand that signal strength is key. Aim for an RSSI of made a 60 dBm or stronger and an SNR above 20 dB. Router placement matters. Elevate the gateway, keep it away from metal objects, walls, and electronics like microwaves. A window-facing position can significantly improve signal in dense urban environments. Don't underestimate this. Expert opinions indicate that optimal placement fixes up to 70% of disconnection issues. Use the T-Mobile app to check your signal and experiment with different locations in your home for the strongest, most stable connection. If placement isn't enough, explore band selection. T-Mobile uses 5G bands like N41, N71, and LTE bands like 1266. Disconnections can occur due to poor band performance. Use the T-Mobile app to manually lock onto a stronger band, like N71, for better rural stability. For persistent issues, consider a signal booster compatible with T-Mobile bands. Market growth projected at 15% CAGR through 2027. As a last resort, if widespread outages occur due to events such as natural disasters, stay patient. T-Mobile typically restores service quickly, utilizing temporary mobile towers.